yeah, that's what he wanted. I'm gonna quickly tidy it up. But what a fucking mess. Oh my goodness. So here's the mission to take off the E34 armrests. And I'm not sure if you can see, but this is what the German bastards have fucking done. Man, you can't see shit because I can't as well. But they've put a little bolt in there, like a hex, which you have to take off first.
Then there will be a pin, which you need to smash the fuck out.
Yeah, got it out as usual. It was a job and a half.
Did it on your own, did you?
Yep. Yep. Progressing. So yeah, just put a screwdriver in there, tap it, and it will come out. I've lost it somewhere, but fuck it. So now we've got this. Give it a clean and see what he says. So I'm not sure what the Chinaman will say about them. Probably he's gonna say yucky, yucky, yucky. But anyway, we'll give them a quick clean. Maybe we'll sell them anyway, because I've heard that they do sell these fucking... Okay, now we are getting back to the annoying Chinese man who wants these bloody things, which I bent.
Arm rest fixtures, you stupid twat.
I shouldn't have bent them. Okay, I figured out that the best way to bend them back is unfortunately to put them back in and to bend this arm back. Okay, now let's just bend this back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take it off. So there's 2 screws in the back. Okay, so this is number 13. So now you know, again, because of another one of my fuck-ups, that don't just break things and pull them off. You need to take off the back cover of the seat. Oh shit. Okay, here's a bolt, we need that. You need to take off the back cover of the seat, and then you can easily take this off without breaking the fucker like I did. So let's give it a quick scrub and see what happens. Sorry about all this mess. We are actually in process of tidying again. Every week you have to tidy, guys, if you wanna know where anything is, especially if you're breaking a couple of cars. Now if you wanna have any kind of progress, you need to sort your shit out. So we've cleared it a bit. Now we're sorting out all the little parts to know what we have, what we need to keep, what we need to sell, what we need to throw away. And now I need to find some bolts for this frame, because we've got someone who wants to buy it. This man really needs to get a tripod. Get our favorite instant valet. So that's how they are now. A bit shitty, especially this one. Woo. Let's give them a clean. Cover them in this shit and let it soak in nicely. Ooh. Some Father Christmas action here. Santa Claus is coming to town. So yeah, let them soak for a bit, and then get a brush
And scrub those motherfuckers.
and start brushing. First let them sit there for a bit. So keep rubbing until the cows come home, until the sun sets.